Lonnie, my name is Janina. I want to thank you for your inquiry on this beautiful 2014 Veloster. This is the R-Spec, and this is the vehicle that you wanted to take a look at. Now, we're just going to take a quick look at the inside out here in the rain before you come in and take a test drive. As you can see, this vehicle has beautiful red racing interior. This is a lovely, lovely little vehicle. I love the color. And then on your steering wheel, if you can see, we're out here in the rain filming. Try to get it a little closer for you. We have hands-free Bluetooth, trip meter, reset buttons, cruise control, volume controls, everything to keep your eyes on the road and look straight ahead, and for your comfort and convenience. As we go to the middle, we have the large screen. We have AM, FM, XM radio, also CD player. This is a 6-speed manual transmission, USB, iPod, and auxiliary ports. Everything that you would love to drive on an R-Spec. Now, there's a lot more I can tell you about this vehicle, but I would love for you to come in and really put your hands on it, take it for a drive, and you'll see how wonderful it is. The R-Spec, of course, has a 1.6-liter turbo GTL engine and 195 pounds of torque. So, Lonnie, please give us a call. Number here is 205-380-6250. And let me quickly tell you about our warranty. Hyundai provides you a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, 5-year, 60 new car warranty, 7-year corrosion, 5 years unlimited mileage roadside assistance. Everything you need, except for Tameron takes it a step further. They double that 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain to 20 years, 200,000 miles. That's right. 20 years, 200,000 miles, and that is at no additional cost to you. That's for just being a valued Tameron customer. So again, my name is Janina. My number, 205-380-6250. Please give me a call, make an appointment, come on in, take it for a test drive. I'm sure you're going to love it. Thanks, Lonnie.